We can always sense a murderer.
Yeah.
No matter how close, we know where they are. We have like a tracking device.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
we can see it in our hearts.
We feel it! We feel it!
I feel it!
Whatever.
I feel it!
Okay, so anyway, I was at the Gap the other day. 2 jeans.
'Cause
75% off.
Daddy.
Never are they 75% off. Okay? I
Oh,
think some kids messing with my head.
Oh, there's
I
a
don't
dump
think
truck.
they were right.
Oh, we
There
got.
has no murderer in the dump truck.
We have to stop the car. We are done. Never mind.
I think it's thundering because I hear him booming.
It's bad too, because I hear flashing. I see flashing.
I don't know why you have. It's probably the big metal on your head. Looks like a chimpanzee or something.
It's called a hat.
I don't-
The badge on it.
I don't know. Oh, hello!
That was a mark.
Yes. So I got this new car the other day. It drives nicely. Only I don't know how to get it started.
Hi.
I don't want to touch that. So.
Friends. You know murder.
Oh, we always meet new people. How are you?
Lots of new people in New York, yeah.
Yes. We're from New York.
Yes, we're driving to New York, remember?
Oh, they've got the pansies.
Our friend has a hammer.
Oh, hello!